Now the question remains here, who is going to pay the fine for the Suez Canal blockage? Hi guys, myself Aman, welcome to my channel Siemens Blog. So today we are going to cover one of the recent topic that happened in maritime industry, the blockage of Suez Canal. As we all know that on 23rd March 2021, one of the Golden class container ran aground in Suez Canal because of gust of wind. Almost after around 6 days, on Monday around 3 p.m, the vessel refloated again. But because of this incident, the Suez Canal was blocked for almost 6 days. As we have seen in so many videos that because of blockage, around $400 million they are losing on daily basis. So who is going to pay the fine for this? And not only this, 400 vessel is also waiting in order to clear from the Suez Canal, and most of the vessel is on the time lease, means they have to complete the journey on the given time period. And not only this, 12% of global trade economy depend upon Suez Canal. Also, around 8 million of LPG gas barrel on daily basis passes through Suez Canal. So how much maritime industry is losing money on daily basis, nobody can count. Because not only the canal Egyptian authority is getting paid, but also all the cargo which is being stuck. So many perishable and food item is also being stuck. So the question remains here, who is going to pay the fine? It's BSM, the charter company Bernard Sulte Shipping Management, or the owner, or the Evergreen Marine Corp, or the vessel from where it registered, Panama, or the captain of the vessel. The most of the captain and the crew of the vessel is from India. As per the captain of the vessel ran aground because of the gust of the wind, around 40 knots. But as per the Egyptian authority, human and technical error were also responsible for this. So there will be an investigation regarding this, and after this investigation they are going to find out what was the problem, and they are also going to charge the fine as per the problem. Now we will discuss about the vessel, from where it is registered. The vessel is registered from Panama. So we can blame Panama? No. As I have also made a previous video regarding this, the vessel only registered from Panama only because for their convenience. It's like you get a driving license, and in case if you do any mistake, so you cannot blame the one who is giving you license. This vessel is owned by Soi Kishin Kaisa, a larger subsidiary Japan based company, but the owner of the vessel is only responsible for fully maintaining the vessel. So he is the one who is not should be blamed. After that, the vessel is maintained by Evergreen Marine Corp. After that, the technical manager is from Germany, that is BSM, Bernard Sulte Shipping Management, and the captain and the crew is from India, and the goods is coming from China, and the vessel is registered from Panama. So there is so many confusion, as you can see. But the investigation will be clear out everything, because on vessel there is also called black box where everything is recorded. So the question remains here, who is going to pay the fine? For now time being, for the cost of dredger and tugboats, for everything, Evergreen Marine Corp is going to take care, because the vessel is right now detained in Suez Canal, just in Anchorage area. Mostly any vessel after agrounding, they were also being detained because of they have to do underwater survey in order to make sure vessel is seaworthy, there is no any hole, Also they check all ballast tank to make sure vessel is okay. Once the vessel is okay, they get the certificate that yes, they are ready for sailing. The vessel is also being detained because to make sure that the company will pay the fine, and the rest of the issue will be done in the court, and the settlement will take a longer procedure. So for the time being, BSM and Evergreen Marine Corp, they are in under radar, and they are going to take care of dredger tugs cost right now. So please be with me for the next video. If any new update will come, I will sure update you. But right now there is also one rumor, I don't know it's true or not, that the owner of Evergreen also suing BSM regarding this matter, that how come this incident happened. So we will see what was the real problem, whether it's human or technical error. So if there is any new update comes, sure I will make video on this matter. For time being, this is what the information we have right now. So if you have any query, please drop your query in comment box. Sure I will try to cover your issue. Thank you.